I finna tell you to hit that motherfucker a little bit. Now I said I finna tell you to hit that bitch a little bit. I was trying to see what that bitch gonna do real quick, man. Nah. Cause that bitch gonna try to go through that motherfucker. You gotta go out here. Hell yeah, that bitch gonna try to send your ass somewhere else. That bitch got too much power. Make sure you stop my shit too. And they gonna be the shit shot a rock at me. That bitch dusty in the bitch. That bitch dirty in the hole.
Good thing we got the mobile detail shit here.
Yeah, my life. For real.
Hey.
Pop the hood right quick.
Hey, that hoe, hey. Nigga Post Malone on. Hey, Post Malone ain't the only nigga doing this shit.
Man, my life.
Nigga, I'm 30. Cutting up. Hey, if he, I swear to God, if once he get that bitch tub though, he's gonna be able to cut up.
No, my life.
About them rims scrubbing and shit.
My life.
That's the only reason I kept slowing down, because I ain't want them ribs to screw. Yeah, it's metal. If it was plastic, it'd be something different. But that metal, it would kept the rims up. I mean, kept them tires up. I'm telling you, bro. Niggas catching hell right now. He ain't got no motherfucking no tub or nothing. Tires rubbing. Still on nigga ass. Bitch, finna get that bitch all the way right.
Yeah, man, I gotta get that bitch tub now, man. That's it though. After that.
Yeah, well, nigga, I need that hoe. Big red. Yeah.
4.9 inch. YouTube Koomlaude, man. You know what it is.